Students, now we are handling the chapter Circles, Module 3. Circles Level 3. In previous class, until 1 to 5 have discussed. Now let us start from 6th question today. 6th question. Two circles with radii R1 and R2. R1 greater than R2 greater than equal to 2. So minimum radii is 2. Minimum radii is 2. R1 should greater than R2. Touch each other externally. If alpha is the angle between the direct common tangents, then what is alpha? These are the direct common tangents. Put here C1, put here C2. This is R2 and this is R1. Join like this is close. Touch each other externally given. You should not consider like this. Touch each other externally. Whenever the two circles touch each other externally, join like this. Put here P. This is external center of similitude. Join like this. This is a C2, this is a C1. This is R2. And this is R1. If you join a line like this is a point of contact A, put here A, this is B, this is P. So this is R2 and this full is R1. You can write this one as R1 minus R2. We know that angle in semicircle is right angle. C1A is a radius. So it is nothing but the part of diameter. Every diameter divides the circle into two equal parts which are said to be semicircles. Angle in semicircle is equal to 90 degrees. Now using this triangle PAB we can calculate the value. Try to understand that this one also R1. So this is R1 and this is R2 from center to any point on the circle is called as radius. Whenever C1, C2 is R2, line joining centers here, PB is the parallel line of C1, C2. PB is also, we can say that it is R1 plus R2. Now, in triangle PAB, let us draw the triangle like this. Try to understand because here A is 90 degrees. Draw A here, put A here. So A and where is angle R1 minus R2 is PA and PB, put here P and put here B. PB is the opposite of hypotenuse, that is R1 plus R2. PA is the value of difference of radii, that is R1 minus R2. Angle here, so P we put here, so we should not put here P. Put here Q. Let this is the half angle alpha by 2. This is half angle alpha by 2. Angle in same segment. Angle in same segment is same. So here you can say that B is equal to alpha by 2. Put here Q. Now in triangle, so students, this is alpha by 2. So in triangle QAB, you can write as sin alpha by 2 is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Here you can write R1 minus R2 by R1 plus R2 depends upon the opposite side by hypotenuse. R1 minus R2 by R1 plus R2. That implies alpha by 2 is equal to alpha by 2 is equal to sine inverse of alpha by 2 is equal to sine inverse of r1 minus r2 by r1 plus r2. Therefore, alpha, the angle, full angle he is asking. So, taking cross multiplication, this is by 2. Alpha is equal to 2 sine inverse of r1 minus r2 by r1 plus r2. This is a standard bit in standard books. Alpha is equal to 2 sine inverse of r1 minus r2 by r1 plus r2. Now, let us discuss 7th question. Let A and B be any 2 points on each of the circle and two circles is given. If D is the distance between A and B, that means the point A is on first circle and the point B is on second circle. The distance between A and B is D. Then set of all possible values of D. Let us discuss about the position of circles. Later we can discuss about a formula. X square plus y square minus 8x minus 8y plus 28 equal to 0 is the first circle. Let us denote second circle as S dash. X square plus y square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Indicate here C1. C1 is equal to 4 comma 4 and R1 equal to 4 plus 4 16 minus 28 32 over root 2. C2 is equal to here 1 comma 0 and R2 is equal to 1 plus 3 4, it is also 2. Let us discuss about the distance between C1 C2. C1 C2 is 4 minus 1 whole square, so it is 5. 4 minus 1 whole square, 16 plus 4, 9 plus 16 over root 5. Here R1 minus R2, modulus of R1 minus R2 equal to 0 and R1 plus R2 is equal to 4. That implies we got here this one 0 less than, so C1 C2 greater than R1 plus R2. I am thinking that 0 modulus of R1 minus R2 less than C1 C2 less than R1 plus R2. No, it is wrong. C1 C2 greater than R1 plus R2. So two circles lie external of other. Draw like this. Two circles lie external of other. C1, C2. Put here A and B. The 2 points. A and B are 2 points on each of the circles. Respectively, D is the distance between A and B. This is the D. D is the distance between A and B, then set of all possible values. Here the formula is there. By verification, you can get the formula also. C1 C2 minus of R1 plus R2 according to condition intersecting circle C1 C2 modulus of R minus R2 less than C1 C2 less than R1 plus R2 model C1 C2 minus of R1 plus R2 less than the D, whatever the distance between the points in C1 and C2. Try to understand. This is R2, this is R1. C1 C2 distance of C1 C2 minus of R1 plus R2 less than D less than C1 C2 plus of R1 plus R2. What is C1 C2 here? 5. 5 minus of R1 plus R2 4. Less than D means the distance between AB and less than C1 C2 is 5 plus 4. Therefore 1 less than D less than 9. Of course, given is equal to, whenever it is the rule, whenever the circles may touch also, you can say the rule. So, whenever it touches, we can say the value 1 less than or equal to D less than or equal to 9. Let us discuss about 8th question. The equation of circles which passes through the origin and the cutoff equal length of chord. Cuts of equal chords of length. Equation of circles which passes through the origin cuts of equal chords of length. According to condition The circle should pass us through origin. So C equal to 0, x square plus y square plus 2x plus 2fy equal to 0. That's all. Of course, three options are in the same model. We should try to understand that the length of a chord from the center, length of chord given as length of chord also not given. Y equal to x and y equal to minus x, two lines given. Lengths of chords of two circles, lengths of chords are equal. The two cuts of equal chords of length A given for any circle, first option, second option, third option maybe, or fourth option. We should verify the options. Length of chord equal to A given. Option 2 verified. X square plus y square plus or minus 2 root A by equal to 0. Here C1 is equal to root A comma 0, take it as plus R1 equal to root A. So whenever circle touches x-axis, it is circle passing through x-axis, circle touches x-axis. So y code, circle touches y-axis, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy model. So R1 equal to root A here. Let us draw the diagram. Root A comma 0. This is the line passing through origin y equal to x, and this is the line passing through origin y is equal to minus x. So lines L1 you can write as x minus y equal to 0, and L2 you can write this one as x plus y equal to 0. R is root A, and length of chord formula 2 root r square minus d square. Let us discuss length of chord. Length of chord formula 2 root r square minus d square. What is d? Perpendicular distance from center to the line. From center to the line, here root A minus 0 power modulus by root 2. So root A by 2 is d. 2 root r square minus d square. What is r square here? A minus this is a by 2. So 2 into root of a by 2. So root 2a. Root of radius is root a, no doubt. Length of chord, the equation of circle which passes through origin, cuts off equal chords of length a from the lines y equal to x and y is equal to minus x. Length of chord formula 2 root r square plus d square. D means perpendicular distance from here center a comma 0 to this one. Root a minus 0 by root 2, it's okay. So root a by root 2. This is a by 2 d square. What is r? 2 root r square. R means here only root a. According to g square plus f square minus c over root. Root of g square means here center. If you take plus, of course minus also you will get the answer, no problem. Here root a whole square, square will get cancelled, root a is the answer exactly. Minus g, everything correct. D is equal to root a minus 0 by root 2. Length of chord 2 root r square minus d square. 2 into root of a minus a by 2 is root a by 2. So root 2a we got here. But he is asking, he given that equation of circle which passes through the origin and cut off equal chords of length a from the lines y equal to x and y is equal to minus x. So length a we should get by verification. Eighth, let us see the option. Eighth question, we given fourth option, no doubt. Only verification model is there. X square plus y square plus r minus 2 root a by. If we take plus, no problem, we will be getting 2 root r square minus d square. D square means because root a by root 2. Root a minus, center is root a, no doubt. Let us do once again. Fourth option is there means whenever it is fourth option, so it is absolutely x square plus y square plus or minus 2 root a is there. Option 2, x square plus y square plus 2, let us consider plus 2 root a equal to 0. So C1, oh, student size did wrong that minus g comma minus f concept is that only I have taken minus g. So now it will be correct. C1 is equal to 0 comma minus root a, it is correct. R1 equal to root a, it is correct. Of course for 2 root ax also it should be possible. Zero, 0 is here. This is the line x minus y equal to 0. This is the line x plus y equal to 0. Taking center this one as 0 comma minus root a. R1 is equal to root of g square plus f square minus c. There is no c. 0 square plus of minus root a whole square. R is negative. Minus root a whole square. Square and root will be getting cancelled. So simply a root a. Now d, let us calculate it. 0 plus root a by root 2. Okay, nothing happened. Taking this one, 0 plus root a by root 2. D square means a by 2. Length of chord. Length of chord equal to 2 root r square minus d square. 2 root r square means a here and d square means a by 2. So 2 into root of a minus a by 2, this is a by 2. Anyhow we got the same answer. So it is root 2 into root a. So a root of 2a we got the length of chord. But first of equal length he is asking absolutely. Let us discuss about, depends upon old textbook is there, old material, whether it is wrong or right, I clarify just. 8th question. According to old question, question is correct only. X square plus y square plus r minus root 2 ay equal to 0 and x square plus y square plus r minus root 2 ax equal to 0. Question is correct only. Length of chord formula 2 root r square minus v square. The r value is here. Let us verify once again. Root 2 ax is there. According to formula, minus g comma minus f is there. So root 2a by 2. Yes. Let us discuss about here root 2a. Yes, question mistake. Here we should write this one as, write properly the question. X square plus y square. Question is like this. The option is in the model x square plus y square. Better to change this one as x square plus y square plus or minus full root 2a. Change the question. X square plus y square plus or minus full root 2a by, not 2 root x square plus y square, like this you write. Full root 2a equal to 0. X square plus y square plus or minus full of root 2a. It is cut. And x square plus y square plus or minus full of root 2ax. Root 2ax equal to 0. Now it will be cut. Now you can write, diagram is same. Diagram will not change. This is the tangent, this is the tangent, x minus y equal to 0. And this is the tangent, x plus y equal to 0. This is the origin, 0 comma 0. Let us discuss about this one. Center 1. according to formula minus g comma minus f. So here this minus f means this is 2f. 2f is equal to root 2a. So by 2 you should write. You should write as minus root 2a by 2. That is equal to 0 comma minus a by root 2. Yes, minus a by root 2. Now you calculate d is equal to 0 plus a by root 2 over modulus by root 2. Now it becomes a by 2. Now d square is equal to a square by 4. 2 root r square minus d square is equal to 2 root of, what is r square here? A square by 2. Okay. A square by 2 minus this is a square by 4. A square by 2 minus a square by 4 becomes 2 root of a square by 4. Whenever a square by 4, you can write this one as 2 by 2 into a. 2 get cancelled. So a is the correct answer. This is print mistake. This one also verify. Simply I am writing verify. Verify in the same model. So option 2 comma option 3 both are correct. Option 2 comma option 3 both are okay. According to option you should write x square. According to question you should change the print mistake x square plus y square plus root of 2a by and x square plus y square plus full root of 2ax. Now ninth question. The centers of set of circles each of radius 3 lie on the circle x square plus y square equal to 25. Locus of any point on the set. Given circle x square plus y square is equal to 9. This is the given circle. X square plus y square equal to 9. The centers of circle each of radius 3 lie on the circle x square plus y square is equal to not 9. X square plus y square is equal to 25. The locus of any point in the set. The locus of any point on the set. Any point in the set given. Draw the diagram like this. X square plus y square equal to 25. So here he given each of centers of set of circles each radius 3. This radius is here r is equal to 3. Let us write r is equal to 3 is original radius. Original radius is equal to 5. So if the circles, whatever the locus you should calculate, the points lie on the same set, this set. So maybe inside or maybe outside. If the set are inside like this. So it is nothing but concentric circles depends upon, like this is original angle. It is nothing but concentric circles depends upon this circle. So this is outside. This is out, this is in. Otherwise, you can say like this. This is rough diagram of course. This is out, this is in. This is rough diagram because the circles should be concentric. So what will happen? Radii is equal to, I am writing, radii is equal to 5 minus 3 comma 5 plus 3. 5 minus 3 for in and 5 plus 3 for out. So what is the radii? 5 minus 3, here 2 comma 8. So according to option he given depends upon the square of a radii. So locus may be, locus is, the chance is there for 4 less than or equal to, because depends upon r square. 4 less than or equal to x square plus y square less than or equal to 64, because x square is 64. It is first option. Now let us discuss about 10th question. 10th question, equation of circle touching all the lines. Given, let us write the line. Given modulus of x minus 2 plus modulus of y minus 3 equal to 4. Modulus of x minus 2 plus modulus of y minus 3 is equal to 4 is the set of line. Here we should calculate 4 lines taking the cases, case 1, case 2 like that. Case 1, plus plus you consider. So it becomes x minus 2 plus y minus 3 minus 4 equal to 0. You can write here x plus y is equal to 9. According to options I am writing here A. A means intercepts. A is equal to 9 comma 0, that is x intercept. B is equal to 0 comma 9, that is y intercept. Next case 2 I am writing. Case 2. Case 2 means plus comma minus. For modulus take plus and minus. So this is x minus 2, this is minus y plus 3 minus 4 equal to 0. You can write here x minus y, here 3 minus 6. So is equal to 3, minus 3, minus 2, minus 4, 6, minus 6, 3 minus 6 equal to minus 3. X minus y equal to 3 you can write. According to intercept formula you can write A means 3 comma 0 and B is equal to 0 comma minus 3. Next case 3, minus comma plus. So we can write here minus x plus 2 plus y minus 3 is equal to 4. Minus x plus y 2 minus 3 is minus 1 and minus 5 you write. Minus 5 equal to 0. So x minus y plus 5 equal to 0. Taken that x minus y minus 5 equal to 0. Minus plus minus x plus 2 plus y minus 3 is equal to 4. Minus x plus y, this is 2 minus 3 minus 1 minus 4 minus 5 equal to 0. This one taken this side, it becomes, oh, it is plus 5. X minus y plus 5 by multiplication of with minus. So intercepts I am writing as A is equal to minus 5 comma 0 and B is equal to 0 comma 5. Now case 4. Case 4 means here minus comma minus, both minus you take in modulus. That implies minus x minus x plus 2 minus y plus 3 is equal to 4. So here you can write this one as minus x minus y plus 1. This is 2, 3 minus 4 plus 1 equal to 0. X plus y minus 1 equal to 0. Intercepts are here A means 1 comma 0 and B means 0 comma 1. According to these intercepts, we can draw a line. Depends upon the intercept. First 9 comma 0 and 0 comma 9. And negative also there. 0 comma 5 minus 5 comma 0, 0 comma 3 and 3 comma 0, 0 comma minus 3. 0, put here 9, put here 9 and 0 comma minus 3 means negative. 3 comma 0, 0 comma minus 3. Minus 3 minus 5 is also there. Of course this is minus 5. Put here minus 5. Put here 5, 0 comma 5. And 0 comma 1 is also there. Put here 1. Here 1. And 3. 0 comma 5. 0 comma minus 5. Okay. Let us draw first line like this. Next to minus y comma, this is second line. Next one 1 0 0 1, this is third line. Next line, first x plus y equal to 9 completed, minus 5 this is completed, 1 1 completed, another line is there. X plus y equal to 1, this one completed. This is okay. X minus y plus 5 equal to 0. This is okay. This is 3 comma 0 and 0 comma minus 3 here. This is a line. Now you can understand that extend all the lines. Extend this line. Extend this line. What will happen? Now whatever the circle is there, the circle should touch all the 4 lines. So you should draw diagram like this. Don't think that it is an ellipse. Draw properly, you can get the equation of circle. Of course, it is in the shape of ellipse, but you draw properly. Now, what we should consider? All lines are tangents of the circle. So, condition of tangents is R is equal to D. Take any option and verify. Option 3 you take. Any option you can take, but you should calculate in speedy way. Option 3, x minus 2 whole square. X minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square equal to 8. There is no shortcut. For everything 2 comma 3 is there. For everything 2 comma 3 center is there. So there is depends upon line. For everything 2 comma 3 center he given. That is why there is no question of option verification. Simply I am doing x minus using R is equal to D. Using R is equal to D. Using R is equal to D with 1 I am writing. With 1. With 1 means this one. This line. X plus y equal to 9. So what is radius here? 8. So according to here from the center 2 comma 3 distance 2 plus 3 minus 9 over modulus by root 2. 2, 3, 5, 5 minus 9, 4, 4 by root 2 means 2 root 2. So here R is equal to 2 root 2. R is because R square is equal to 8, R is equal to 2 root 2. Like that every line, for every line you verify, you will get the answer third option. Now let us discuss 11th question. Question. Four circles. Before going to discuss 11th question, let us discuss about 14th question. After completion of 14th question, we can discuss about the 11th one. Let us read the 14th question. Equation of four circles are x plus or minus a whole square plus y plus or minus a whole square is equal to a square. Then radius of circle touching all the four circles. 14th question. Circles I am writing. Circles x plus or minus a whole square plus y plus or minus a whole square is equal to a square. Equation of four circles are like this given, then radius of circles touching all the four circles. Understand carefully. Here x plus a whole square, C1 I am writing. C1 is equal to a comma a. In these four cases are there. First same model just I rubbed now. X plus a whole square plus y minus a whole square. It is first case. So center minus a comma minus a. It is in third quadrant. So plus, let us consider plus plus case. Now the center in third quadrant. Plus minus case minus a comma a. So it is in minus a comma a. So it is in second quadrant. Next minus plus case minus a comma x minus a whole square plus y plus a whole square. So a comma minus a fourth quadrant. Let us consider both are negative. X minus a whole square plus y minus a whole square. So a comma a it is in first quadrant. The centers are, chances are there to get in first, second, third, fourth, all quadrants. So C1 is equal to I am writing a comma a. C2 is equal to minus a comma a, like this I am writing. C2 is equal to minus a comma a. C3 is equal to minus a comma minus a. And C4 is equal to a comma minus a. Depends upon the values of centers. And R1, R2, R3 for every radius, because for all circles radii are equal given. R1 equal to R3 equal to R4 equal to A. R1 equal to R2 equal to R3 and R4 is equal to A. take coordinate axis. This is 0, 0. Draw a circle which touches the 4 lines. Draw a circle like this. These 2 lines. This is a circle which is having center C1A, A. And draw a circle like this. And draw a circle like this. Put here C1. Put here C2. Here this is C3. This is C4. Students, try to understand 4 circles we have drawn like this. Depends upon the coordinate axis. This is first circle, second circle, third circle, fourth circle. At the outer circle, whatever I drawn, the outer circle is the circle touches all the 4 circles. Say the relation between 11th question and 14th question. First, let us continue this question. Later you can understand the 11th question answer easily. The circle which touches the 4 circles externally is this one. The circle which touches internally also you can understand this one. Like a carom board coin places. In 8th class you faced a question. The answer is also 56, 1 by 4, 56.25% in 8th class duration or in 8th class algebra. Some important question is there. Same depends upon this question. Here join like this. C1. Put here C1 means A, A. Put here C3 means minus A, minus A. Minus A, minus A is C3. Join like this with the design line. This is A because radius from center to any point. This is also join with the design line. This is also A. Put here the name P and Q. Now I am writing C1, C2. C1, C2 is equal to C1, C3 you write. C1, C3. C1, C3 is equal to the distance between 2 centers A plus A whole square over root of A plus A whole square plus A plus A whole square. So this is 4A square plus this is 4A square. 4A square plus 4A square becomes 8A square. 8A square you can write as 2 root 2A. 8A square over root is 2 root 2A. Okay, now C1, C3 becomes 2 root 2A and in the similar way C2, C4 also 2 root 2A. One thing is needed. Now let us discuss the radius of large circle. Let us discuss about diameter of large circle. Later we can say radius. Diameter of large circle. Diameter of large circle is equal to, you write as PQ, full PQ. This design line to QC3 and this one total C3, C1 and C1P. That is equal to, I am writing here QC3 plus C1C3 plus C1P is the diameter. QC3 is nothing but A. For all circles radius is A. And here you can write this one as 2 root 2A plus this is also A. That is equal to 2 root 2A plus 2A. 2 root 2A plus 2A is the diameter. 2 root 2A plus 2A is the diameter D. Now if you ask this is equal to, take common as 2A. Here you can write root 2 plus 1. Root 2 plus 1. Radius we write now. Diameter also in sometimes, not in mains, in MCET he asked diameter also. Sometimes diameter he may ask, sometimes radius. So both answers you should remember. The concept is needed to remember. Radius is equal to, so radius means here radius of large circle I am writing. Radius of large circle. Radius of large circles which touches the 4 circles is equal to, radius means diameter by 2. So A into root 2 plus 1. Put a box here, this is necessary to remember. Now diameter of small circle. diameter of smallest circle which touches all four circles is equal to. Now what is needed? So total C1 C3 minus this part. What is this part? This part we need. This part. So internal circle diameter is nothing but total PQ minus C1 C3. Total PQ minus if C1 C3 we have taken. No, it is not possible. This is C1 C3. Let us try to understand that this is A. This is A and this is A. Because radius from center to any point of the circle is called as radius. Now you can understand that the C1 C3 minus this separate radius and this separate radius. I mean, if it is C1 and if it is a point R and point S, if we put here R, don't get confused. Diagram is clumsy. So try to understand here. I am writing as diameter of smallest circle equal to, I am writing C1 C3, the distance between two centers minus this radius and that radius. You get the diameter of smallest circle. Now you write C1 C3 minus of A plus A. What is C1 C3? Already we count it as 2 root A. 2 root A minus 2A. If you take common 2A, then it becomes root 2 minus 1. It is diameter of largest circle. Now you can write diameter of smallest circle. Now you can write radius of smallest circle. Radius of smallest circle is equal to diameter by 2. So you can write here this one as A into root 2 minus 1. Put here also star. Don't forget students, this is most IMP in so many concepts. Now you can say easily that the answer of 14th question. Radius is asking, radius of circle touches all the four circles. Radius of here circles should be given. The circles is here second option. According to options, option 2 for the 14th question. Now let us discuss about 11th question. Four circles each with radius 2 touch both axes, then the locus of largest circle touching the four circles. See the 14th question, largest circle. Put star here, then you can understand A means the radius, whatever the radius given in 11th question, 2 we given. So 2 into root 2 plus 1. 11th question directly I am writing. Depends upon 14th question. Depends upon 14th question. You can understand root 2 plus 1 into 2 is the radius. R is equal to root 2 plus 1 into 2. Root 2 plus 1 into 2 is equal to R. Same as 14th question you write there. Same as 14th question. Now 12th question. A circle which touches x-axis at 2, 0. Yesterday level 2 classwork or level 2 homework, I said some locus we found, but now he is asking about radius. A circle touches x-axis at 2, 0. A circle touches x-axis at 2, 0. Put 2, 0 here. And also the line y equal to x. The line y equal to x is passing through 0, 0. In first quadrant, then its radius is dash. We know that radii are equal in any circle. It is a concept. 1, put here C, P and this is Q. This is R and this is R and of course it is D. You can understand that whenever circle touches x-axis, the radius is y coordinate, and whenever 2, 0 is there, you can put the value same to the same coordinate will be maintained at the center also. You can put 2, beta. Right here 2, beta is the center. 2, beta. Let C is equal to, you can write 2, beta, and R radius is equal to beta in bracket. The condition is the circle touches x-axis. Whenever circle touches x-axis, radius is y-coordinate. Plenty of times I said. Whenever circle touches y-axis, radius is x-coordinate. So here R is equal to beta. Now use R is equal to D. Use R is equal to D and the concept radii are equal in any circle, that is CP is equal to CQ. That implies here R means beta. Beta is equal to the perpendicular distance. This is line x minus y is equal to 0. Perpendicular distance from center to the line is D, 2 minus beta by root 2. You can take this one, beta root 2 is equal to 2 minus beta. So beta taken this side, it becomes beta into root 2 plus 1 is equal to 2. Beta is equal to 2 by root 2 plus 1. Beta is equal to 2 by root 2 plus 1. Rationalize. Here you may get the value root 2 minus 1. Therefore, beta means radius. Beta is nothing but is radius. You can write this one as 2 into root 2 minus 1. 2 into root 2 minus 1 is the radius. According to option, it is third option. Radius of required circle is beta is equal to 2 into root 2 minus 1. Let us discuss 13th question. C1 is a circle of radius 1 and touching both the axes. Axis, you should write x, not axis is not right. C1 is a circle of radius 1 and touching both axes. C2 is another circle which touch both axes. And also the circle C1 whose radius is greater than 1 than radius of C2. It is important question. Very good question. Very good conceptual question, students. First of all, you draw the coordinate axis. Draw the large circle like this. And draw small circle here. Now you can understand. This is a C1 small circle. The small circle touches both x and y axis, and the large circle also touches both x and y axis, and the large circle also touches the small circle. He put the name as C1. C1 radius 1 comma 1 he given. Yesterday and day before yesterday I said that if a circle touches both axes, then center is R comma R and radius is R. Don't forget the formula. X minus R whole square plus y minus R whole square equal to R square if the circle touches both axes. Now you can put here center of second circle is R comma R. This is R comma. This is 1 comma 1 he given. This is O. Enough. This is x axis. This is y axis. C1 for circle 1. For circle 1 I am writing here C1 equal to 1 comma 1 and R1 equal to 1 unit radius. For circle 2, for circle second circle, for circle 2 that is C2 is equal to R comma R and R2 is equal to R. Whenever circle touches both axes, remember that the center is R comma R, radius is R, that's all. So of course I said proof also. Now condition you write. Using the condition, what is the condition? C1, C2 is equal to R1 plus R2 whenever two circles touch each other externally. Then you can write here this one as R minus 1 whole square plus R minus 1 whole square over root. This is the C1, C2 distance. R1 plus R2 means it is 1 plus R. By squaring both sides, you can get this one as 2 into R minus 1 whole square. R minus 1 whole square and root will be getting cancelled. Here you can write 2 into R minus 1 whole square is equal to R plus 1 whole square also you write. 2 into R minus 1 whole square is equal to R plus 1 whole square. By expanding, we can get this 2R square minus 4R plus 2 because R square minus 2R plus 1 model minus R square taken this side, it becomes minus R square minus 2R minus 1 equal to 0. You can write this one as R square minus 6R plus 1. R square minus 6R plus 1 equal to 0. R is equal to taking as factors in the form of minus b plus r minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. 36 minus 4 by 2. R is equal to 6 plus r minus root 36 minus 4, 32, 32 means 4 root 2, 4 root 2 by 2. 4 root 2 by 2. So R is equal to 3 plus r minus 2 root 2. That's all. If it is 3 plus 2, if it is 3 minus 2 root 2, root 2 value 1.414, 2 into root 2 value 2.828, 3 minus 2.88 becomes 0.12 like that. According to condition, he given that R greater than 1. So don't consider R is equal to 3 minus root 2, 2 root 2. Only consider the value R is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2. Write like this. R is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2. Condition, since in bracket you write R greater than 1. That is the given condition. Let us discuss 15th question. If the chord joining the points 2, minus 1, 1, minus 2, certain right angle at the center of circle, then center and radius. Chord joining the points, this is the chord A and B. A is 2, minus 1. B is 1, minus 2. If the chord joining the points 2, minus 1, 1, minus 2, subtend a right angle at the center of circle. Put here center. The chord is making or subtending 90 degrees here. Put here this is C. Calculate the distance AB. Whenever the distance AB, we may get here 2 minus 1 whole square minus 1 plus 2 whole square. AB is equal to root 2. So distance of AB is equal to root 2. So it should be 1 plus 1. Because if it is 90 degrees, so CA square plus CB square should be maintained using the Pythagoras theorem property as CA square plus CB square is equal to AB square. Radius equal to 1. How many options he given? 2 options are there, whether it is second option or third option. If the chord joining the point subtend right angle, then center and radius is asking. So better to verify that CA is equal to CB. Take second option, whether you get CA is 1 and CB is 1, it is the correct answer, otherwise third option is the correct answer. Now second option I am writing. Verifying second option. Verifying second option, 2, minus 2 is the center. 2, minus 2 center. Now CA you can write. CA is equal to, here you take 2, minus 2. Yes, we got CA equal to 1. CB is equal to, yes, 1. That's all. Options 2 is verified. Now 16th question. The point on the circle which is maximum distance from the point. Let us write the equation of circle x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y. X square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0, which is maximum distance from the point minus 9, 7. Options, verify the options. First option minus 1, 1. So 1 plus 6, 8 minus 8 plus 4, 12, 12 minus 12 equal to 0. Oh. First option verified. Minus 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2 plus 6, 8, 8 plus 4, 12 minus 12. First option is there. So for every option you should calculate the distance. 7, minus a second option verify. 49 plus 25, 74 minus 42, 74 minus 42 minus 20 minus 12. It is also okay. 74 minus 74. Third option 0, minus 6. It is 36. 36 minus 24 minus 12. Absolutely okay. And 0, 2. It is 4 minus 0, 2. 4. 0, this is 4 minus 0 and 8, 4 plus 8 minus 12. Every option is satisfying. So it is absolute mains question. In mains used to give like this only. So now you calculate the distances from minus 9 comma 7 to options I am writing. So whatever the option is maximum, then that option you should consider. Option 1 minus 1 comma 1, option 2 7 comma minus 5, option 3 0 comma minus 6, and option 4 0 comma 2. From minus 9 comma 7 you calculate, put here. This is A1 I am writing the distance. Minus 9 plus 1 whole square. So 64 plus 7 minus 1 whole square, 36, root 100. Root 100 only, right? 64 plus 36. Next A2, so distance from this one to A. Minus 9 minus 7 whole square. So it is minus 9 minus 7, 140. Minus 7, 16, 256 plus 7 plus 5, 12. So 256 plus 144 is equal to 400. Root 400. Now A3. A3 is minus 9, this is 81. 81 plus 7 plus 6. 169. 81 plus 169. 250. Okay. Next A4. Minus 9, so 81 plus 25. 81 plus 25 means 81 plus 25. 106. So this is the correct option, which is the maximum distance from minus 9 comma 7 to the given point, which is Y on the circle. According to verification, we got a second option. Now let us discuss about 17th question. That question is 25th question in the old material. Depends upon the 17th question, you get the same question in integration and differential equations also. F of xy equal to 0 is a circle such that f of 0 comma lambda equal to 0 and f of lambda comma 0 equal to 0 have equal roots. Let f of xy. F of xy means equation of a circle. F of xy equation of circle is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Condition is there that lambda comma 0. That implies substitute the value here. Lambda square plus 0 plus 2g lambda plus c. Lambda square plus 2g lambda plus c is equal to 0. And the condition 0 comma lambda. 0 comma lambda, you can say here lambda square plus 2f lambda plus c equal to 0. This both has equal roots. Given the condition that the equation f of 0 comma lambda equal to 0 and f of lambda comma 0 have equal roots. That is, using the discriminant lambda delta equal to 0, that is b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So 4g square minus 4c equal to 0. So g square is equal to c comma f square equal to c. It is nothing but the circle touches both axes. That he given in indirect form. Also, not only this one, also he given. Students, depends upon this g square equal to c, f square equal to c. You can say here g square is equal to f square and mod g is equal to mod f or g is equal to f. G is equal to f and minus g equal to minus f, like the plus or minus value, same value will be getting. Also condition f of 1 comma 1 is equal to minus 2. F of 1 comma 1 is equal to minus 2. So substitute the value 1 comma 1. 1 plus 1 plus 2g plus 2f plus c is equal to minus 2. So you can write here 2g plus 2f plus c is equal to minus 4, because 1 plus 1 minus 2 becomes minus 4. Now I am writing as 2g plus 2g plus g square. 2g plus 2g plus g square is equal to minus 4, because g is equal to f and f square is equal to c. So we can write here g square plus 4g plus 4 equal to 0. G square plus 4g plus 4 is equal to 0. Now this can written as g plus 2 whole square g plus 2 whole square equal to 0. Whenever g plus 2 whole square is equal to 0, g is equal to minus 2. Whenever g is equal to minus 2, f is equal to minus 2 and c is equal to 4. R is equal to root of g square plus f square minus c concept to 4 plus 4 minus 4. So 4 over root, that is equal to 2. So according to options here, radius is 2. Now we have completed 17 questions. Okay students, let us discuss from 18th onwards in next class.